Hey, it seemed like it's a bunch of pairs currently being backdoored on the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. We gotta talk about in today's video how this is gonna affect the actual release date, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. If you guys are new here to the channel, bro, you guys know the ultimate goal. I feel like for any YouTuber is to hit 100K, and we are less than 20,000 away from that, man. So if you guys are here, you already messed with the vibes, go ahead hit that subscribe button and make sure you come back to every single video when they drop by hitting the notification bell and following up with a huge like on today's video, man. The mics go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. And it seems like everybody is in, the hype mode for these Bred Reimagined, and I gotta put y'all on game, help you guys out, because there's a lot of people like, yo, step out now, should I wait? And I'm gonna let you guys know all that in today's video, man. All right, guys, like I said, man, the Bred for Reimagined is like the only thing people are talking about, bro. The only thing people are talking about. I know there's a lot of people in the comment section saying, yo, why do you keep talking about these Bred Reimagined? It's because this is what everybody is wanting, bro. This is what everybody wants. This is what everybody putting that energy towards. And me, myself, bro, I haven't even pulled the trigger yet. I haven't even pulled the trigger. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I know they're out there. I know they're accessible to people like me and people like you as well. But I'm gonna wait, bro. I'm gonna wait because I do feel like the resale will drop tremendously. I know a lot of people kind of get spun up in the hype from the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Reimagined, is how that release went crazy. I told you I don't spend no money on them yet. And they did drop a little bit, but they did still sit around that high 300, low 400 range around the drop day, which I was not anticipating. I didn't expect that, and I do not think that's going to happen with these Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, man. I know it's a lot of pairs currently being backdoored. I was scrolling on Instagram, like, on the reel section, and I literally seen like 2-3 different people with 100-some pairs. Like, I think I seen one dude had like 400 pairs of the Bred Reimagined. I don't know if it was mixed between toddlers, GS, and mids, but all I seen was a bunch of Air Jordan 4 boxes with the Breds, man. So they're definitely getting backdoored. They're out there. Stores are getting their inventory because they're even saying that, JD and Finish Line are about to do their exclusive access, and Nike is still super hush hush on this shock drop happening for these joints. Like, are they not going to do a shock drop? This will be like the first time in a very, very long time that, they wouldn't do a shock drop for a sneaker. And in terms of something like this, bro, reimagine a Bred colorway, a Jordan 4, the shock drop is written all over it. And, usually about a month, about 3 weeks before the drop, Nike does a shock drop, but I haven't heard, well, I've heard they're going to do a shock drop, but I didn't hear anything as of recently when it's going to happen, bro, because we right around the corner from the release date, bro. We are right around the corner. I don't know what they're waiting on, but if I had to put my money on it, if I had to, bet on them doing it anytime, it would have to be this upcoming week, bro. This upcoming week, a lot of people have been talking about the 23rd of January. I know, 23 is a super cliche date for any sneaker release because, Jordan wore 23. And it could potentially drop on the 23rd of January, which is this upcoming week, man. So I would put my money on that date or sometime around that date for the shot drop that happened for these Bred Reimagined, man. Me, myself, I want a pair, but do I want to spend $400-500 on them, bro? No, I don't. And I don't want you guys to do it either. So, stick around, man. I'm trying to put y'all on, trying to help you guys out, save you a couple dollars on these Bred Reimagined. But I know, bro, I know, man, that FOMO is real. Everybody wants them, but me, myself, bro, I had to look in the mirror. I said, bro, why would I buy these early? Why would I spend $400 on if I do have the 2019 pair? And of course, the easy answer for me was, you're a content creator. You gotta get the shoe. You gotta show the people what they want. But I definitely felt like, a couple of weeks from now, about a week from now, that resale would drop from like 400 all the way down to the low threes, and then come around release day, you're gonna be going for around like that 250, 260 price range because it's still gonna be a hot commodity, bro. Like, I ain't saying it's gonna be an easy pair to get, but I definitely will say that all the pairs I'm hearing are dropping would drop the resale tremendously, man. So I don't want y'all to get my words confused or the message I'm trying to put out confused, bro. I ain't saying the Bred Reimagined is going to be an easy cop. Not saying that at all. This still might be a super, super difficult one because one, it's a Bred 4, it's a Jordan 4, and it's an all leather pair. And people that ain't had the 2019 pair of Breds are all over these Bred Reimagined, man. They probably don't even care about the reimagined part. They just care about it being a 4 and it being the Bred colorway, one of the most iconic Jordans of all time. So don't let, you know what I'm saying, me saying that's gonna be a dip in the resale price, saying it's gonna be an easy cop. It's not gonna be easy as we first thought it was gonna be. You know, with these reimaginings, they've been dropping a lot of pairs, and if they do anything similar to the Jordan 1 Royal reimaginings or even the patent Bred reimaginings, it's going to be plenty of pair. And it was even a lot of lost and founds, bro. It was a lot of lost and founds, but the bots came out, the resellers came out, the backdoor came out, and literally it was super hard to get that pair. But I don't think it's going to be that bad. But putting up these pictures you guys seen throughout this video, it's people like hundreds of pairs of these Bred Reimagined. They haven't even dropped yet, man. So I just want to put y'all up on game, man. Help you guys out. Like I said, it ain't gonna be as easy to get. Like, it ain't gonna be an easy cop, an instant cop. Still might be super difficult, but I'm telling y'all, I promise y'all, man, I think that resale would drop tremendously. Cause I'm gonna check on StockX right now while I'm up in here talking to y'all, because I do not think they're gonna be, you know, $500 it was a week ago, man. So I'm checking them out right here for my size 9.5. They're currently going for $395, man. Check it out, bro. So it ain't too crazy right now. It has dipped, as you guys can see, but like I said, bro, I think it's gonna go down a little bit more. 360 ain't bad. I wouldn't mind paying around that 300 price range, but 360 is still kind of steep. And people that got the pairs, they know people in that FOMO stage, they want to get them early. This is, you know, arguably one of the best Jordan releases of the year. It's a Jordan 4, and they know what they're doing, bro. Hey, smart resellers, man. Y'all know what people want. Y'all know everybody over these, you know, Bred Reimagined. I'm telling y'all, hold your ducats, hold on for a bit. And if you ain't listening to anything I said throughout the last couple minutes I've been talking, I definitely think the resale would drop, but it's not going to be as easy to get these joints on the release date as some might think. I appreciate y'all the support, man. I appreciate y'all for talking and listening to me, bro. Appreciate y'all listening to me. Y'all gonna go crazy down below in the comment section. You guys know I respond to every single comment. I'd be super interested to see what y'all be talking about, man. I love the interaction down below. So go ahead and drop some comments. Let me know how you feel about this, you know, Jordan 4's getting backdoored, how you feel about the resale market. Is crazy, and I know you guys are here to talk about it, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. You don't know, likes go a long way, and it helps the channel grow, man. So with all this being said, bro, your boy The Vintage, gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.